Hey everyone, this is Jan and you're watching my daily indie game dev for Monday, the 20th of April 2026. I've installed my office space in our new apartment. I'm a little bit lost, like how to continue on the little side projects within my little top-down adventure game when so many of them, time and time again, just don't quite seem to work or break halfway through. So what I'm talking about here is, right here you can see me working on the collision for a cliff face for the third time. The first time I used add force to create the illusion of wind when the player jumps off so that you land somewhere else, and that gave me a lot of headaches, and at some point it just stopped working. So the second version of this wind box, as I call it, uses targets, but then basically I forgot how I put it together, and then after a week of moving I just gave up on it and thought, screw it, I'm making a third version. So right now I'm building the collision, and this caused me to run into all sorts of problems which are kind of interesting. This map is actually way bigger than what most of you have seen in here, and it uses a lot of camera points and a lot of collision, and I think I finally hit the point where Unreal is starting to stutter a little bit, which is odd for a 2D game, but because I just dump everything into the game and just leave it there, it's just not very optimized. And I realized this because I used a little command trick to stall the garbage collection, and all of the slowdown that I was experiencing, all of the hiccups just instantly disappeared. So I think I'm just going to be busy for a couple of days building collision and then ultimately merging it into one big object, which is a lot easier to render than the hundreds of tiny collision planes I have right now. So that's my plan. Hope you guys stick around. Hope you like what you see. Hit like, hit subscribe. I try and post daily these days, but just tiny short snippets of video so that you can see how the project is progressing. All right, see you tomorrow.